It's cold outside and you just got your heating bill. But do you really know what you can do to reduce it, besides just shivering in the cold? What if you could know how much changing your thermostat is worth in dollar amounts? And what if you could know the energy efficiency of your home just as easily as you check the efficiency of your car in miles per gallon? That'd be pretty useful. So we started figuring out how to do this, and 2 years and many prototypes later, we've created the heat meter. It's a smart sensor for your heating system that measures your energy consumption in real time, so you can stay informed and save energy, which also saves you money. It's Wi-Fi connected and works with every major smartphone. It attaches to your furnace or boiler magnetically and just plugs into an outlet. Our design efforts went into making this as easy as possible to use and to install. It works by sensing the vibration signature of the flame and timing it precisely to calculate your energy consumption. Smart thermostats can't do this. It also works in apartments where you pay your heating bill separately. It's easy to disconnect and take with you if you move. I'm Radu, and I'm one of the developers of the heat meter. We started working on this when we wanted to monitor our energy consumption, but we saw there was nothing out there for propane, natural gas, or oil, which are the most common heating fuels. The only energy monitors you'll find are for electricity, and the reason for this is technical. Putting sensors over electrical wires is pretty simple, but to cut open a natural gas or propane line requires professional help, and then this all gets very expensive. So we developed a non-invasive sensor that's extremely easy to install that anyone can use.
Radu is one of the best students to have graduated from my lab at MIT, and the heat meter solves a tough problem in a very elegant way. I'm very excited for this technology.
The heat meter display is a mobile optimized website. It can be viewed on any smartphone, tablet, or computer, regardless of the operating system. It displays the energy used over the past day and past week. This particular home runs on oil, so this is shown in gallons. For natural gas, the units will be in BTUs. You can see how much this costs and how much lowering the thermostat is worth, specifically for this home. You can also see the detailed energy history for the past 4 days and how that compares to average homes. This home is very efficient and only uses about 42 to 49% of the energy per square foot of an average home. This percentage is the key number you want to track on the path to lowering your energy consumption. It will change with your behavior and any improvements you make to the home, such as sealing windows or adding insulation. And if you have an oil or a propane system, you can also track your tank level.
The energy we're using to produce hot water with the new heat pump was going to save us enough money to pay for the heat pump in a couple of years. So, that's an example of using the heat meter.
We noticed that it's difficult to separate the causes of higher energy consumption. It could be a larger house, or colder weather, or an inefficient heating system. The heat meter takes out the guesswork, and this is important for reducing your energy consumption. We've been testing in dozens of homes to make sure we're compatible with almost every heating system that runs on propane, gas, or oil. Our hardware is ready for production and our final manufacturing is set up in the US. We're running this Kickstarter to raise awareness and funds. We need a high enough manufacturing volume to keep the heat meter at a reasonable price. We've been working on this for a very long time, and we're excited to finally get the heat meter into your hands. It allows you to stay informed so you can conserve energy, which saves you money and also helps the environment. We hope you'll join us. Make a pledge and check out our awesome backer rewards.